Kelvin cycle. The Kelvin cycle, or the C3 pathway, is a reaction of photosynthesis, which we also call the light-independent reaction. It takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. We have three inputs. Number one, carbon dioxide, which comes from the stomata in leaves. Number two, ATP, which is the assimilating power, or it is actually used to incorporate energy. And number three, NADPH, which is the reducing power, and it is used to reduce carbon dioxide. ATP and NADPH, they are actually the products of light reactions. These three inputs, they basically convert themselves into the output, which is one G3P molecule, which is actually a sugar molecule, through the Kelvin cycle. The Kelvin cycle consists of three phases. Number one, carbon fixation. Number two, reduction. And number three, regeneration of carbon dioxide acceptor, that is RuBP. The first step, that is carbon fixation, in which the RuBP molecules, we have actually three molecules of RuBP, ribulose biphosphate, each containing 5 carbon, react with 3 molecules of carbon dioxide, each containing 1 marked carbon, to form 3 molecules that are basically intermediate, each containing 6 carbon. These three molecules, they are very unstable and exist for a short period of time, so each molecule splits into 2 molecules, thereby resulting in 6 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate, 3-PGA, each containing 3 carbon. After carbon fixation, the second step takes place, which is the actual step in which reduction takes place. So 6 molecules of 3-PGA, each containing 3 carbon, they react with 6 phosphates that are actually coming from 6 ATPs, which after giving these 6 phosphates become 6 ADPs. So after this reaction, we have 6 molecules of 1,3-biphosphoglycerate, which immediately give out the 6 phosphate that they have just added. And then they react with 6 H-positive ions coming from 6 NADPH, whose after basically giving these 6 H-positive ions, they convert themselves into 6 NADP+. So after this reaction, we have again 6 molecules, which are basically the actual output, that is G3P, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Out of these 6 molecules, only 1 molecule of G3P is the output, which is the sugar molecule. However, the remaining 5 molecules, they're again used in the next step. The next step, or we can say the last step of the Kelvin cycle, it is to regenerate the carbon dioxide acceptor, the RuBP, which actually initiates the actual process. So in which we have 5 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, each containing 3 carbon. They undergo a series of reactions to produce 3 molecules of RuP, ribulose phosphate, each containing 5 carbon. These 3 molecules, they react with 3 phosphates coming from 3 ATPs that basically convert themselves into 3 ADPs. After this reaction, it again forms 3 molecules of RuBP, ribulose biphosphate, each containing 5 carbon, which is the actual input which starts the reaction. In this way, not only the output is gained, that is basically glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, however, another molecule of RuBP is again produced in order to restart the reaction. So the general equation is 3 carbon dioxide plus 6 NADPH plus 9 ATP. They give 1 G3P molecule plus 3 H2O plus 9 ADP plus 9 phosphate plus 6 NADP plus. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, do comment down below.